Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common crypto query: how to transfer XRP from Crypto.com to Coinbase in 2025. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or just moving assets around, this step-by-step guide will make it straightforward and secure. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring like a pro. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Crypto.com and Coinbase. You'll need XRP in your Crypto.com wallet and the exact wallet address from Coinbase. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Log into your Crypto.com app or website. Head over to your wallet section and select XRP from your list of assets. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. It's usually right there on the main dashboard. Step 2. Enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to paste in your Coinbase XRP wallet address. Coinbase provides this in your account settings under the XRP asset. Also, specify the amount of XRP you want to transfer, but be mindful of any minimum limits or network fees, which might have updated by 2025. Step 3. Review and confirm the transaction. Crypto.com will show you a summary, including estimated fees and the destination address. If everything looks good, hit confirm. You'll likely need to authenticate with two-factor verification for added security. Once sent, the transfer will go through the XRP Ledger network. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. Head over to your Coinbase account and check your XRP balance. It should show up soon. A quick tip: in 2025, keep an eye on any regulatory changes or platform updates that might affect XRP transfers. Always use the official apps to avoid scams, and never share your private keys. There you have it. Transferring XRP is easier than you think. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.